The tricky is to dodge the bullets without getting caught in the crossfire. But I'm gonna shoot all y'all. You know, like he getting shot. Oh no, don't run now. He getting shot. Yeah. Good God, that's a dirty finger. But you know what it is. Oh, we got a replacement pony. Okay. Replacement pony, y'all. I've been shooting with the camera and stuff. You know, they pulled in a pinch channel. You know, we got us a fox in the box. Got her down. Fox in the box, SS Camaro. Who got it? Huh? Y'all can see. This is the super pony right here, y'all. Let's see if we can get a burnout before it gets too slippery. That's right, that's right, that's right. Since we playing around in the rain, let's get that 60 foot. It's gonna be good, y'all. Sleeper versus creeper. Sleeper versus creeper, y'all. Let me get over here where I can see them both. Oh hell, he gonna get in and run. That's gonna be alright. that foxy? Who's that foxy? Got some tires on it this week though. Oh, he got the huckleberry too. He gonna race the man. Put your hats on, fellas. All right, y'all. Saturday at Hook City, we have a test and tune for a little while to make sure the track is still hooking. Get ready. Fox versus 4th gen. Check it out. And the 4th gen blows the tires off. There we go. We're about to see some action this time, though. Look at that, Subaru, Buicks. I got my arm twisted around to show y'all they don't have to do burnouts. So we're gonna just watch this Mustang do one. That wild horse never fails, y'all. Subaru, you're gonna have to use all 8-wheel drive. All 8-wheel drive. I think this pony's pissed off. The back tires is damn sure pissed off. So we're gonna see. Ooh, y'all see that, right? Y'all see that, right? He know how to take off. He know how to take off, y'all. Oh, this is the matchup of the century, y'all. This. They about to get it in. This is, ooh. Yeah. See, they're taking notes from the Impala guy. The Impala guy was not playing last week, so why not try Pontiac, you know? Why not try, you know, V8 Impala? Let's see what they'll do, you know? Hell, I like to see a regular car run every now and then. Give my ears a break. Oh, boy. He on with front wheel. Oh boy. Look at, oh, okay. Oh, look, that one got smoke coming off the back of it, y'all. This is about to get serious. This is about to get serious. Somebody, grandma's gonna be pissed, but this is gonna get good. Look at him. That mug is taking the back tire. Now give him the back tire. Give him the back tire. They wanna do it. Uh-oh. The Pontiac locking it in. He done found home. Oh, get the hell out of there. I know y'all anxious. All right, it's your chance. Get on in there and lock it in. Whoa. Too much. Come on, Lou. Come on. You know what? Whatever y'all do is gonna be good, so. Oh, front wheel peel. It's competitive, don't care. Let's check this out. Wow. Ford versus Chevy matchup, though. That's how they do it out here. They ain't shy. burn out. Oh, here comes the shit. Here he come, y'all. Here he come. Boy, that look like Luke Woody built that. Y'all get on in there. We ain't got them in 10 minutes. Reverse. There you go, there you go. Now put it in 90. Alright, y'all, he about to do it. Yeah, so we're gonna go over here and watch this box though. Oh hell yeah, we're gonna watch this box. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I turned around at the right time. I turned around at the right motherfucking time. Y'all look at that. Look at a loud ass bike. That's right. Just a little smoke show. Just a little smoke show. I ain't say that. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Oh! Wild horse versus horse repellent round 2. Who will win? Can you repel the round? Maybe. You got a little can over there, y'all. But this horse is just determined. We'll try it again. There we go. Alright, y'all. We got the tire side. We got the wild horse. We got the horse repellent. Let's see who's gonna get. Oh shit, the horse repellent ain't playing. It's gonna get good. It's gonna get. Oh, no! Get out of here while you can. Get out of here while you can. Go, horse. Alright, enough of that. SC country, y'all. Look at that pipe. Look at that pipe come out the front. SC country. We got a wild horse, but we got a lasso. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now y'all know that horse is modified, but that SN is hella modified, so we're gonna see. Good God, boy. That joke gonna take your heels off. They want me to see the wheelie bars because the horse don't want to burn out. I'm gonna just cut to him. He probably shied and spooked him. Okay, now we're down for a second, y'all. All right, y'all. It's time to go again. We got the lasso. We got the wild horse. Time to fire it up because they're ready to go at some point. leave enough to make a signal. That's right. He ain't playing. He ain't get to race the S10. Whoa. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. Yeah. That one was for real. Yeah. Oh yeah, they will burn the grip back in the Hook City to make this work. We done seen it rip people's shoes. We done seen it break drive shafts. Now we're seeing it on fire while it's raining, so with anything for the Hook, y'all. That's right. Send it on. It must be some E85 or something, you know.
Alcohol.
Okay.
If you forgot your charcoal, by all means, just...
Country boy came to a Hook City on a Saturday. It rained. I got a little footage though, and Peter Griffin came with me, so we about to get out of here. You know, I ain't gonna let it rain on me or rain on the Picture Pro too much. I'm just holding it up with my hand, trying to get something done real quick. But I want to show y'all something real quick. Y'all see that Chevy coming down here? That's Mr. Wayne. Back of the pork chops. All right. So you heard it here first. Let me get the hell out the rain. Country boy out, y'all.